Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage pakoda. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 medium cabbage, finely shredded, along with 1 cup of gram flour and 1/4 cup of rice flour for the perfect crispiness. Don't forget your aromatic spices, fresh ginger, garlic, a couple of green chilies, and a few curry leaves. These will give your pakodas a wonderful flavor. Now let's prepare the cabbage. Mix your finely shredded cabbage with about 1 teaspoon of salt and let it rest for 10 minutes. This step helps draw out moisture. After resting, squeeze out all the excess water from the cabbage. This is crucial for crispy pakodas. Then, in a separate bowl, combine the gram flour, rice flour, and your prepared spices with a little water to form a thick, lump-free batter. It's time to fry. Heat cooking oil in a deep pan to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To test, a small drop of batter should sizzle immediately. Now, gently fold the squeezed cabbage into your prepared batter, ensuring it's evenly coated. Carefully drop small, irregular portions of this mixture into the hot oil. Fry them in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Continue frying your pakodas for about 3 to 4 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Once done, remove them from the oil and drain any excess oil on paper towels. Serve these delicious cabbage pakodas hot with your favorite chutney or dipping sauce. They make a fantastic snack. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.